Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll try to show you how can you track Klaviyo lead form using Google Tag Manager. So you can see that is the Klaviyo sign up form or lead form. So if I am firstly check out that, how can you understand that is the Klaviyo form or not? So I am inspect the form, and in the element section, that is our form. You can see that if you can just look at the form area live profile, that is the Klaviyo form. So how can you track that? So I am go to my Google Tag Manager, and you can see that I am put the custom HTML code for Klaviyo that will be generated the lead form. And you can see that we have to find out the form ID, form title, from email, all of that which we are which we are set up for the all mm, digital marketing platform, or you can say ads platform like Facebook, Google Ads, TikTok, Pinterest, whatever. That is our Google Tag Manager. If I am preview the Google Tag Manager client site, so if I am connect the Google Tag Manager with the website, here you can see that our tag assistant perfectly connected with the website, and we have to just put in the email and submit the form. In the tag assistant, we have to find out the all information. So now how can we trade for the Facebook and other platform? That is a simple process. If I am go to the client site, new tag and tag configuration. So if I am sending for the Facebook, so I am searching on that. So I'm go to the discover more tag tag, find out the Facebook template. Here you can see that Facebook pixel, to workspace and edit. So here you have to adding the pixel ID. So I do not put in the Facebook ID, Facebook pixel ID. I hope you understand how can you put on it, and go to the object properties, add property. So here you have to create the variable. So if I go to the tag assistant, and firstly we have to copy the event name and back to our Google Tag Manager. So here we have to send the custom event. We have to put in the event name here and the property name, which property or which event parameter you have to send to the Facebook. So again, back to tag assistant, we have to find out the form ID. So I am copy the form ID from here. So you have to add in the form ID, and property value will be the also the plus sign variable configuration. That will be the data layer variable, and in the data layer variable section you have to paste the form ID, because here we do not find out another thing. Just we copy the form ID from the data layer and paste on it, and that is the LV form ID. Save it. And our second one is, if I go to the tag assistant, form title, so that is not the mandatory, I think, email. So you do not directly send. Sometimes we have to facing the problem to sending the email. So in this case, you can hashing the email for this email address. So I'm back to Google Tag Manager, and here you can add in the email and also plus sign, and the plus sign, and then data layer variable. You have to add in the from email until the from email, save it. So, and you can back again tag assistant. That is the enough for the event, Klaviyo form submissions event. So we are adding the trigger, so new trigger configuration. That will be the custom event, and we have to paste the event name, which we are showing in the tag assistant here, Klaviyo form submission. So adding the form submission, giving the name, that is event Klaviyo form submission, save it, and tag name will be the Facebook Klaviyo form submission. So I am adding the pixel ID on it, save it. So for the Facebook, I have to done it. So now question is, how can you hashing your email? Because different type of platform requires the hashing email and user information. So I'll go to the variable section to hashing the email. Already I'm sending the email for Facebook. So I'll go to the new and variable configuration, and that will be the custom JavaScript, and paste the code. From the value you have to add in your email value. Here this email variable we have to creating before, so we are adding it. So hashing email Klaviyo and save it. The email will be the hash. So you can go to the tag, also the Facebook form submissions, in the email, in the object property section, we have to add in the hashing email. You can see that hashing email, we have to add in it and save it. So our email will be the hash. So you can also use same as well as for Google Ads and GA4, and also the TikTok, Pinterest, whatever you can say. So I think I hope you can understand how can you track the Klaviyo lead form for your business or another ads platform like Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, and also the Google Ads. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.